Hello everyone. Today we will be talk about why to learn data structure and algorithm. So first of all, if you are a computer science student, why you should learn data structure algorithm? Like question is this. So think it like when you are making a web project in your engineering, you have to make some mini project or major projects there. So when you work with JavaScript or with backend things like API, front end will just hit the API if you are using a React, React JS in the front end framework. So you just need to hit the API, it will give you a response. Okay, here's the twist. Like in the backend itself, you just made an API and front end is hitting that. So when API hits you, you have to send a response. In between this, you need to check some is the data is correct, like whatever, if it is an authentication system, so whatever you are sending from the front end, it is correct, like you are following the things whatever we have tell you, like have you added the Gmail, like if there is a section like input for Gmail and there is another with password, and the email you are adding your name. So backend, your in the front end you can check that. That is also a part of if you have studied the React form, then that will be easier for you. But if you haven't studied, then you need to do some algorithm things here, because you need to check is the the entered input is following at the gmail.com. That's the basic thing you have to do. If it is not following, you just need to mention you have added you entered the invalid credentials. So this is a thing you should take care, and for this you need to have a good algorithm knowledge, because to compare to strings, again it fall into data structure algorithm. So this is the need of it if you are working in a computer science career. So I am not telling you to do regress data structure algorithm. Just one question a day and you are perfectly, and you can go with that, and that will help you in long way. Like the AI things is there, like coding is just like giving prompt and it's make something for you. I know things not work like that, as people saying, the one who don't know about coding saying yes I can build this. What if I can just remove a semicolon? You can do it, fix it. That will not work eventually, and you will basically fired. And if you, but if you have a good command on data structure, your problem solving is good, so eventually you will be somewhere at a good position, and you can. And data skill always a filtering criteria. Yes, it will show how much a candidate is dedicated to the coding. So these are the basic things that are needed. Yeah, so that's my think it like that. Like if I do one question a day and you have 4 years, let's do not count first year, second year into it. So you have 2 years, one question a day, something you will build in your mind. Okay, so that will help you. And eventually if you take a 5 to 6 LPA job, and after that you are also pushing one question is not that much difficult. If you are working or you are if you are not working, and it's not a big deal, you can do two question as well. But I just majorly focus on, if you have done data structure well, then you just need to do one question a day. And in the job itself, you can also do the one who is in the product based company. He is doing this, so why you can't with the 5 to 6 LPA? Like you have less pressure than the product based company, like the one who is working in product based company. So thank you. That's my opinion for you. Yes, thank you.